Hello everyone, this is Richard from ParchCraft Australia, here today to demonstrate our newest range of easy embossing templates. They're called double ups. The reason we call them double ups is they can be used for parchment craft and also for card making in general, where you use coloured paper or cardstock. There's a bit of light reflection here, but you can see the embossing on this pearlescent coloured paper. That's 125 gram paper, and this is the template. These templates are white and the engraved line shows up as black. I've prepared this template with small dots of blue tack to hold my paper in place. You use the templates exactly the same as our normal easy embossing templates, with the main difference of course being that they're white and you've got a black line to trace. The black line you'll find is much easier to see than the clear ones. We will be still manufacturing or continuing to manufacture our existing easy embossing templates in clear acrylic. These are just to be an alternative for those with poorer eyesight. You still need to rub your surface of the paper with a tumble dryer sheet or wax paper, and it's just a matter of tracing, and as you trace over the line turns white, so you can see very easily where you've been. I'm using the PCA micro ball as the tool. As with our clear acrylic templates, you can use a PCA scriber to cut a section out if you wish. So I've gone over the tool, or the template's been embossed, so I'll cut the centre piece out using the scriber. You can use a small straight edge craft knife if you wish, but usually a scriber is probably safer. You only need to go over the cut line once, but if there's any places that you've missed, just simply go back and go over it again. Just making sure it's broken all the way around, because you're not actually cutting the paper, you're breaking it. I'll lift that off. And as you can see, we've got a neat little cutout that could use as a topper or stick something on it. And to finish the embossing, I have one prepared that I prepared a bit earlier. And as you can see, you get a lovely clear crisp line. Just show you the comparison between our original easy embossing templates and the new double up templates, and you can see the difference as far as how clear you can see the double up lines. And if I place a piece of paper over it and hold it tight so it's against the surface, the black lines show up much better than the white lines. As a result of developing the new double up templates, we've also designed and manufactured a flexible support frame, as initially all of our double up templates will be of the same size. So in this way, this flexible frame, you can see it's very flexible, can be used, and the template just sits in there like that. And then if you wish, you can get your paper and place over the top and stick it down with something like magic tape or similar. As the frame is flexible, you're not going to break it when you move it around. And you can pick it up if you wish. Oops, it's not attached there, sorry. Okay, so, and then it's just a matter of rubbing your tumble dryer sheet over the surface to make the surface more slippery for your ball tool. As the flexible support frame is bigger than our spendy, and I want to use the template on that, I'm going to place a piece of cardboard on top of the spendy, and I can just simply lift this in place, put that on there, and I'll work on that. So here's the template, the double up template, in the middle of the support frame, on top of the cardboard, on top of the spendy. Now, so that it doesn't slide around, I've actually put a couple of pieces of blue tack underneath the template so that it's stuck to the cardboard, and then allows me to turn it easily. And it's just a matter of embossing using your PCA microball. On detailed work, we suggest that you start in the middle of a template and work outwards, because your paper is continuously stretching. And as mentioned before, the black line turns white as you emboss over the top of it. I'll only do the one rose. If you miss any spots when you're embossing, because the black line is there, you can easily see that you've missed it, or if you haven't embossed properly, and you can go over it. So the end result is a fully embossed line. Do a couple of squiggles. This template's actually meant for being or designed for use as a background on which you can stick toppers on it, such as happy birthday or best wishes or something like that. I'll take it back this way, and I'll just take the tape off. And there you can see a nice crisp rose. If you're looking for these products on the website, they have their own section on the left hand side at the top of the category section, and they're called, as the name says, double ups, and then you can select whatever category you want. And for the flexible support frame, that's found in the accessories category. That was a quick demonstration of how the double up templates work. As you can see, they are used in the same manner as our easy embossing templates, and I'll say again that both ranges will continue to be available. They're not a replacement, they're there for people who wish to, or who have poor eyesight and also want to use them for card making in general with coloured paper or cardstock. Please stay tuned or watch the next video. The next video will be a demonstration showing how they're used with cardstock and a light box. If you're using vellum, the clear paper, you can't use that on a light box because the light, when you are trying to emboss, you just cannot see the line that you're embossing. The white on white doesn't show up. So use the double up template as normal, straight on a flat surface. Black helps, but it doesn't really matter what colour. But cardstock and coloured paper, use them on a light box. See you again shortly.